My name is Justin Pover. I'm a project manager here at the University of Staffordshire. The university received funding from the UK Shared Prosperity Fund, UKSPF, through Newcastle-under-Lyme Borough Council. And the programme was called the Advanced Digital Technologies Innovation Accelerator. Bit of a mouthful, but we lovingly call it ADTIA. The idea was to work with businesses to formulate a project idea to integrate advanced or digital tech into their business to develop new products, new systems or new processes. Once that project was defined, we then went out to advert and we recruited a student or a graduate to work on the business, work with the business for 360 hours to develop that project. That graduate or student also had a academic supervisor that worked with them for a couple of hours every week until the project was delivered. So the types of businesses that have been involved, we've had manufacturing, we've had well-being, we've had tech businesses, and they have wanted to integrate advanced tech in various ways. So redistribute the resources rather than replacing staff, which a lot of people worry about when it comes to robotics and AI. But we always make sure that the sustainability of the business and the staff that they've got is built into the project. A couple of the businesses that we work with that have had some really good results, one of which is Thrive and Shine, who developed their Bessie system. So they were currently doing a lot of the work manually to analyse the data and process the data, and the integration of AI and tech that the project came up with allowed them to process that data a lot quicker, which means that they can deal with bigger companies with more members of staff now. Staffordshire Precision Engineering, they were paper-based for a lot of the things that they did, so a lot of the drawings, a lot of the instructions to the engineers were paper-based, filed in filing cabinets. It took time to find them, it took time to log them. The student there came up with a system to digitise all of that, so everything was scanned in and it was accessed through like tags on different documents, and any new businesses that came in with new drawings, they were digitised straight away rather than having to go back through old stuff and digitise it then as well. The benefits of the project that we've been running has not just been to the businesses, it's been to the students as well. So the students come from the university, they've got that academic knowledge. A lot of them have got limited real world knowledge, real work knowledge. So by placing them in with the business, they understand how a business works. Because of that, it's increased their employability. So we're finding that students, after they finish the project, they've got more confidence, they can communicate in more of a professional style, which helps them to then go on and get jobs in the industry. So the funding from UKSPF through Newcastle Borough Council has allowed the university to engage with more businesses through these projects. Some of the students have gone on to work with those businesses part-time, short-term projects, or even one student's had a full-time job offer from one of those businesses. And because of those relationships we've got, that also has a knock-on effect to student recruitment. Students want to come here because we've got those business links, and so the more students we've got, the more businesses we support, the better the area as a whole is going to be. This programme has shown that the university is dedicated to innovation. Without innovation, businesses wouldn't grow, they wouldn't develop. So the university is committed to supporting individuals and businesses to innovate. So we're currently in phase 2 of the ADTIA, so we've got extra funding for another year, which runs out in 2026. We're engaging with another half dozen more businesses in the Newcastle area. Those projects are still ongoing, the outcomes are looking positive, and hopefully we can provide you with an update on those in another few months' time.